Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎 here with another reaction. And as promised, we're here with the war with Masicka and Kalado. So it's Masicka, it's Kalado shoot, then Masicka shoot, Kalado shoot, now Masicka shoot again. So that one name Eaton. Yeah, I don't know why it name Eaton in a minute. If you not hear that song before, that's like crazy. Let's jump in. I want to hear what Masicka say. Kalado versus Masicka. Masicka say Eaton. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Yo, Kalado. In a real bumbuckler life, youth. Say they know say you have to change your name before you war. Gunman. Your birth name at Eaton. God. Your mother know you're born for suck pussy. You can't diss bad man. Genocide.
Alright. Let's talk about the intro. Man say, you have to go change your name before you war with bad man in a real life, Kalado. Man say, remember say your name Eaton Gardner, brother. So remember say your mother didn't know from your born, say you're born for so. Yo.
Yo, Kalado.
Eaton!
In a real bumbuckler life, youth. Say they know say you have to change your name
Kalado did reply after this, he did.
before you war. Gunman. Your birth name at Eaton.
Garden.
Your mother know you're born for suck pussy. You can't diss bad man.
Genocide.
Take much blood clot friend from boy, you must see idiot. Gunshot in the pussy will I just be that.
Remember say Kalado did say Masicka a beg friend from Killer, you know. So he must say, yo, beg rich friend from boy, you must say idiot. Eh? You fool.
Blood clot friend from boy, you must see idiot. Gunshot in the pussy will I just be that. Still knocking on your pussy face, then as a real act. Your correct name a Eaton, squeeze one, knee pop.
Your correct name a Eaton, squeeze one, knee pop. Yo, Masicka was shopping, dog. Counteraction and yo.
Still knocking on your pussy face, then as a real act. Your correct name a Eaton, squeeze one, knee pop. Your big pussy mother know you're born for eat cat. Tree slap the fruit black, bloody like a meat shop. Career done crash, now what time for heartbeat. Stop when man a beat, strap them up them head underneath frack.
The man say your career done crash already. Career done crash. Remember say him not, remember say no. Like me telling you, say Kalado was running the place them time there, no. Man say, yo, your career done crash already, brother.
Your big pussy mother know you're born for eat cat. Tree slap the fruit black, bloody like a meat shop. Career done crash, now what time for heartbeat. Stop when man a beat, strap them up them head underneath frack.
Time for heartbeat stop. Remember say when man a beat strap, remember say you have your head under frack. Remember say you have your head under frack and eat the pee meeting. That's when Masicka say, not me no Kalado, so no, you see me.
Career done crash, now what time for heartbeat. Stop when man a beat, strap them up them head underneath frack. Boom boy, gun go a wreck. Me no broke, me we broke a neck. Me son go a prep. See
Me no broke, my son go a prep. So him a tell us say, yo, you talk about me nah mind my son. What you talk about? Like wrong thing, brother. What you mean, my son go a prep?
I need frack. Boom boy, gun go a wreck. Me no broke, me we broke a neck. Me son go a prep. See me gal them and push out that tongue. They a deck them kill bow cat fast, run go for the tech.
Man say even him gal them would a kill her if you see them and push out that tongue there. Cause them kill bowcat fast. Them not like bowcat, no time. So him Masicka could never be a bowcat. Him say, yeah, the bowcat. Remember you name Eaton Gardner.
See me gal them and push out that tongue. They a deck them kill bowcat fast, run go for the tech. You're 31 and hungry, see him where you must have fret. Me hold your mother mouth and stab it out hard and bust a sweat.
Me telling you, no. Me telling you in the last reaction by Kalado when him a say, you suck cocky mother rape. Me telling you, say Masicka never take that, you know. When you see what Masicka say, big up Mama Kalado, big up yourself. Alright, listen what Masicka say now.
See me gal them and push out that tongue. They a deck them kill bowcat fast, run go for the tech. You're 31 and hungry, see him where you must have fret. Me hold your mother mouth and stab it out hard and bust a sweat.
You're 31 and still hungry, you must have fret. The man say him hold your mother mouth and stab it out hard and bust a sweat. When him say him stab, I know knife stab or ice pick stab or anything she get, you know. Eh? I would them out. I'm telling you. Mama Kalado, pick up yourself. I'm saying the same thing when I said to Mama Crooks. when your son out there having lyrical battles with other artists, because that's what he do, he's an artist, like there is no rules in these wars. People are go mad. So it's nothing personal, mommy. Don't take it personally. You understand? Yeah, me know 8 years ago now, 9 years ago now, but yeah, let's just say it still, you know?
Underneath track, boom boy, come go and wreck. Me no broke, me broke a neck, me son go and prep. See me gal, them man push out that tongue, they a dead. Them kill bow cat fast, run down to the tech. Yeah, 31 and hungry, same way you must affect me. Hold the madam out and stab it out, and bust a sweat. Pan but you just a step, we have the key where Russia make a that me you shot dizzy and him no recover yet. Yeah, 31 and hungry, same way you must affect me. Hold the madam out and stab it out, and bust a sweat. Pan but you just a step, we have the key where Russia make a.
Ban bad, you just a step with the K where Russia make. Have the K, the AK where Russia make.
That me you shot dizzy and him no recover yet.
I me you shot dizzy and him no recover yet. They never say busy, so I don't want to get it confused. Dizzy. Shan dizzy him attack. And that me you shot dizzy and him no recover yet. Cause remember say after the war with him and Masicka, we not hear much from him after that in the dog.
Pan but you just a step, we have the key where Russia make a that me you shot dizzy and him no recover yet. Crocodile is a reptile, you don't slide but send yourself go to school next time you get a check.
Remember me telling you now, when Kalado did say crocodile are the biggest fish in the sea. Remember me telling you say he make a mistake. Crocodile is a reptile, you don't like but send yourself to school next time you get a check. Masicka correct him this after and say, yo, crocodile is not a fish, bro, it's a reptile.
Pan but you just a step, we have the key where Russia make a that me you shot dizzy and him no recover yet. Crocodile is a reptile, you don't like but send yourself go to school next time you get a check. Calabar walk one from me in a apple let the tree stand and me creep me now itch fi take your breath.
From Calabar days about to tell the same bad. 3 star in a crepe, him not itch we take your yo.
Calabar walk one from me in a apple let the tree stand and me creep me now itch fi take your breath. This so cocky rich big pussy all stretch where you use vice your inch your she me one catch.
So the girl will say she has seen Masicka later on and carry the gear the green for pull and put on Masicka tongue allegedly. She has say yo, he must say yo the big pussy girl where you use vice your intro she me want whole next. But here him style her.
Calabar walk one from me in a apple let the tree stand and me creep me now itch fi take your breath. This so cocky rich big pussy all stretch where you use
This so cocky rich big pussy will stretch.
I so inch your she me one catch. Fuck on her mouth and comp on her breast. You want Kalado sex life, you want talk pest.
Man say yo, I'm go F her in her mouth and come on her breast. Remember say yo, you and Kalado sex life you talk about in a rich. I want you.
Fuck on her mouth and comp on her breast. You want Kalado sex life, you want talk pest. A gunman a press pussy, them a digest. Shot a pump in a chest, don't test we bun flesh. A sting your want go, cause you flap on some fest. Don't try your mouth, the lyrical contest.
Man say a sting you want go because you flap on some fest. Man say you flap like 2 bird wing over Sunfest. I can't remember the flap that state, but quite a while ago. Man say you flap at Sunfest, that's thing you want go. Move, don't have clashing thing with you. That's what the G say.
A sting you want go, cause you flap at Sunfest. Don't shine your mouth, the lyrical contest. A gunman a push up every man a drop flat. Your email, Corey, a call and a WhatsApp.
Man say you email Corey, I call him and I WhatsApp him. Even though you there start styling about him make 2 taboo club figure blah blah. You still a email the manager though.
A gunman a push up every man a drop flat. Your email, Corey, a call and a WhatsApp. I say you want help, no, that a chat wax. So this stiff tongue boy have a bag of bad chat.
Oh, so I must say the reason why you was dissing Corey Todd because you reach out to Corey Todd to get some help and Corey say, yo, no, I'm not help. That will help what?
I say you want help, no, that a chat wax. So this stiff tongue boy have a bag of bad chat. Be a rifle we buy boop, pan a knock, pan a clock shot. Party your mother shock. Call which Babylon in a face we chop top. But real alliance pussy you a top sprat.
Man say call which Babylon in a Shandizi war. Eh? Call which Babylon, you idiot?
Call which Babylon in a face we chop top. But real alliance pussy you a top sprat.
But real alliance pussy you a top sprat, man.
Which Babylon in a face we chop top. But real alliance pussy you a top sprat. Put more, oh we a blood clot bleach pan Eaton. Pull up in a the Nissan, reach for the peace and
oh we a blood clot bleach pan Eaton. pull up in the Nissan, reach to the... Yo, listen lyrics.
With a blood clot bleach pan Eaton, pull up in the Nissan, reach for the peace and cheese and peas, and them mother better keep strong. Find them faceless, right for where we slam.
Oh man, the mother better keep strong. Them find him faceless. Them find Eaton faceless, so me pull up in the Nissan. Remember, so you don't with a bleach pan him. That's what Masicka said, not me.
Cheese and peas, and them mother better keep strong. Find them faceless, right for where we slam. The Marco back so you in our dreamland.
The Marco box, oh brother. Them time the Masicka and the Marco never good neither. The Marco box, oh, you must see now one dreamland.
Find them faceless, right for where we slam. The Marco back so you in our dreamland. K them no empty the fucking 16 ram. One in your pussy face, we no carry lean and funeral me plan. Pastor, deacon, your meds dirty pussy, your face asleep and Eaton, eat anything that he can.
Eaton, eat anything that he can. Yo, what the thing, yo.
Your meds dirty pussy, your face asleep and eat anything that he can. My friend, run with your pussy when you see man. Call me for the hot fucker man a real done.
So, he might tell the girl if he run with her cat when she see him cause he will eat it off. Meow. He will eat out the cat 9 life. So, he must say, if you want the real G, you have to call him. Don't call Eaton, cause Eaton go eat off the kitty. Meow.
My friend, run with your pussy when you see man. Call me for the hot fucker man a real done. Broke like a dog, the pussy floss out the tree song. Drop them a drop on me, you a try lean pan.
Man, see you broke like dog, your voice, your name out the tree song money, the tree it sang them when you get the girl song them, you name out the money. No, you try lean pan him because you broke like dog, nothing now go on for you, me you try lean pan. Move, now support you.
Broke like a dog, the pussy floss out the tree song. Drop them a drop on me, you a try lean pan. Lyrics them a fuckery, flow, you need one, your baby mother Dania, Masicka 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Fox me.
Man, see your baby mother Dania, film 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Them a fuckery, flow, you need one, your baby mother Dania, Masicka 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Oh, before that him say, your lyrics them a fuckery. Your flow, you need one, because you not have none.
Fox me a talk, anything you hear me speak, and she say your money short, but your tongue real long.
Your baby mother say your money short, but your tongue real long. That's how the G said, not me.
Fox me a talk, anything you hear me speak, and she say your money short, but your tongue real long. Regular she chucking at your face, Leland. Look.
Regular she chucking at your face, Leland. Hold on. Yeah, regular she chucking at your face, Leland. Chuck. But regular she chucking at your face, Leland. Blood clot.
Money short, but your tongue real long.
Regular she chucking at your face, Leland.
Lose your meds cause a pussy you a feed man.
How do you eat that blood clot, boy? Killer never teach you them. Bag and yamming argument in the blood clot.
Killer never teach you that, brother. That's what it is.
Man, a real bumbo clot bad man. Come on, Ranspen, Jarrett Lane. This jungle ream. Cockburn. Father Molly as a child. You can't go road again. Me nah answer that. Yeah, tell you your mother never say that. Jenna blood clot, son. Pussy you done slide. Any boy, anywhere. Gunshot a fire. Hardball. Pussy. Anyone me see you, 1 hard box in your face. Remember that.
Anyone me see you, 1 hard box in your face. Remember that. Yo, the war was heating up, man. The war was heating up. Let me see if we can find the Kalado, because I think Kalado did reply after this. I'm pretty sure Kalado did reply. Let me know what you guys think about this war. Who don't have a win so far? Who don't think win the whole thing so far? Because like this war was one of them war there where they say, yo, it is nice. I just wish this war would have gone on a bit longer. But I think Kalado did reply, but I can't find Kalado song because him they clarified the line where the crocodile line. He said something about amphibian and something. But I can't remember the song name, dog. If anybody in the comment section know which song Kalado did reply to after Eaton, please let me know. But I think the war never go much further than this still. But you see me. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section of who the victor for this one was. Alright? I'll see you guys in our next one, man. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.